Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, you guys can see that I already started it, right? But we're using 27 pieces, Harlem 125, 123" to accomplish this short pixie cut style, asymmetrical on one side, that is. So if you want to know from beginning to end how to do a quick weave, just head on over to my channel and you'll find plenty of videos over there where you can take something and add it to your own technique. Now this, as you can see, I glued it in really close. Now we're on to the 10" Saga pack hair from the hair store. So guys, just watch, pay attention, take what you want from this. I'm going to be cutting this and also styling it, which you probably already saw in the thumbnail. Which, guys, let me know if you want to see the style in the thumbnail or not, or you would rather be surprised at the end of the video. Leave that in the comments. I'm looking for suggestions, so yeah, that would be really helpful for as far as my thumbnails are concerned. And right here, I'm just closing it up. It's just a quick video, but you can actually take something away from this part of the video because I didn't really speed it up. So this is how to close a quick weave. So watch that, leave an E for effort in the comments, and please like and share this video. And if you're not subscribed, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place if you're willing to learn something. Just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I'll love on you over here. notification by tomorrow. So we're going to curl her up tight and get her out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all at the end to say goodbye. But please remember to leave an E for effort. Like the video, share the video, get me out there in the algorithms, guys. And I love you guys for all the support. I've been getting more subscribers all through the days. I appreciate it all. And yeah, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video because I have another cut coming up for you guys, kind of melody. So guys, stick around. Make sure your notification bell is on. So when I do post a new video, you will know right away.